This innovative structure cools 300 drinks below 42.8 degrees Fahrenheit without electricity. Bud Ground Cooler uses geothermal cooling properties of the ground to work. The unit has 9-cylinder clay pots buried down to 13 feet deep, and a ventilator system connected to a 14.8-foot-tall mast. The air under the ground is refreshed by evaporation and cooled by an air current flowing through the mast, forming a cooling process known as the Venturi effect. The umbrella-like top also provides shade from the sun and creates a place where people can gather and enjoy the drinks.